Se Ghana ye honto ye ya. Ese via die twatwo. Se nanka wo ye. Nanka so de bas branding no. Nanka so de ka ho. Nanka se wo de Airbus no. Nanka se so de ka ho.
Amema wakwaba emfa mbra Ghana nsem TVGH so. Wo friend me Adwoa search him. Mesro na wa subscribe me notification bell no so for more news. Ebusuafo ewo efia pokua ni show a wa to the jaso ewo OK FM. Monday no or discuss about ensema ekoso ewo Ghana hanom NDC for winning ensema ekoso NPP for winning the ekoso. Na ewo show ne so ne guest a omoba so e na baako e kire say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, with all due respect, Obai as president no what better committee a what to the day oral I will say Okuja to Ablakwa foreign affairs minister our dano no omon hwehwe former appointees be NPP form where this can no be aware this can omon chenutu na sa committee na o setting obi ani uni how so obi abesom wo aban na we diga this car government no e wo every right be as prosecuting the panel this can Name no His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, with all due respect, for Airbus scandal no ka ho, na for bus branding e ka ho, because sikebi ensin sikebi. Na ebusuanfo ye nyina ora ho nsema ekoso e wo Ghana ha no. Na Ghana fu bebre na adwan yo montanta because His Excellency John Dramani Mahama obi also be fighting against corruption. E ba ya wa be clear amount for nsem e wo courts. The likes of Ora Puni, Honorable Collins Dauda Saglimi, Dr. Johnson Esiama, Deputy Offense Governor of Bank of Ghana. And it's a conform some court, no, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama order, and our Attorney General. Where you be an for and the Yabis saying to send coffee or master more court to back umpo no wa. Obetry a many markers will be a gun is can assist scaff and assassin. Why clear omo? Now why now quacochero? It's a gun of 5 year or montanta. Now me I draw me to you crying. She said, I don't think madness because His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and Ane Kasama for fellows of Fosukwache. Kakana would have better abonting. Their government appointee under this government being wa. O to kwa ko Ghana ho bra obe first class na jiza mo de beto mo futu na mo to Ghana for any Ghana for you should be very careful. I send this for be connect ko mo awian do ya be say NPP for and say mo ye mo adwen say mo be boa Ghana say with His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ni 4 years see the mo de be Ghana say Dubai ya ati asese ke na be yende na mo me no mo fa mo receipt amudi to kwan dia say pay what ma mo fani na meto abonti ne yehu bi fili gado chi ne yehu say ne mo kan no kra na muntu muntu futu go ye ni o ana pay na ma ada na me phone so na me say fellow for su kwa che kasa and the government is not going to spend and then mo kaso basa mo ya crop mo so na yemra mo ya crop for dem mo be ye bi e be koso wo Flagstaff House Jubilee House and here say Jubilee House and Flagstaff House the be koso bia be se mo be boda mo fa be che Ghana fo ne ehu sa ampa mo be kan kan that's 2024 say 2028 to say here he say move power that chian kwama bia say power ne be di NPP fo na say move so a ya ma mo kosua na snap na ma Burundi say mo anwia 10 pesos in point fi on my mo so na mo ina mo ya krofo mo tu futu egu ye na say mo ba na is a Ghana for say NPP fo we skin mo ye sent mo Didn't say no isi ekoi.
Ghana for who be fun woman na. Some na MPP zubenya power because na to ba first 4 years no. Na ye hunu say what the free education no the atum ni appointing Martin Midu. Na ye the ye wo UK ha ye putting Martin Midu. Ni enim say this if when you be go prison. Me say Matia mi duo wo be
na mu se court ne yanko no kwa
sister Fia say one enti ade a yesren DC for ne say ade a wo mo ye no ka Jomahama wadi kan feli baako because one oba ye no asem e wo court die ma asem ne ngo ho deal with asem no na asem no nkowie ekoko wie na se ayi koto kase enkrofo no wo mu hu so a John Mahama wa kire se wo ba ye no ma me ye nyiyi mu ba wo ba ye no ba yo adwen se wo be ko awonsa ye nka hwe ise ndisi fo am ye hunu se se do kokot 4 years 8 years ni antimi amfo antuma asem no tugu asem no totwene enti wo ma wo mo di wo mo be kokot yi ye wo lawyer fo a wo mo betwitwa age wo mo for 4 years enti 4 years in so a na 2028 no say ye hunu say Ghana dane heaven dia ene wo mo mmiri wo mo nyire wo mo temmu pa se Ghana ye ho nto ye ya ese afia die twato say nanka wo ye nanka so wo de bas branding no nanka so wo de ka ho nanka se wo de Airbus no nanka se wo de ka ho so ho ba e bia no de wo ye afiri mu enye fe kura
Okay.
enti yesre wo mo ya wo mo nye ni nyina mom obi
Okay.
bia wadiska wo puni case no wo jano mane kwa eni na ga MPP fo nzo ba eni omo nzo be ja wo mo no media de wadisika no Jo Mahama punish nipa no so ye MPP ni na minua nya school nko wonya ayi edan na MPP fo ma diska eno de mo mfa nche wo mo
Okay.
na medi onye oman ni yi maye
You nana that. Mama me now say oh see great point to obi support
me say me na Bible can say so obi you ohwefo adwuma onye nipa anya no ho asem nka ne ho asem nye personal issue enti so obi ba de o man nyina portfolio be hye ne nsa na okotena ho a if you have personal issues personal life ma office na okotena na incompatible ye ni won kwan se ebuza wa na ye ka ho asem na Ghana fo ohun se de ete
eno atapoku twe emergency bibi so aba bankumbo ne Richard Anane
yes
busa no se wafa o yire chi da na
yes
wo ba wo yire chi ena Anane ne yire tina chi o
yes out of where you have a child out
eno se ane eno se ebrebe de siye obi na bankumbo ka se anyone want say we a health minister na oko amanone akọ ACE conference na HIV conference no na wokohia oba ne kwotwe prama na nyinsan enti no sa na si ya na na ne say yes sa sama wo kan me yire kwa ya we onim bibia anti no enye problem Kumbo went further to say Anane has shown and proven say he's honest.
And that is
in the full glare of
the public
TV and radio.
So
sometimes I am a bit unsaid. The Gen Z generation doesn't know these things. And in a year, say, now me personal life there. You see, when you come to the public space, you don't have a personal life.
You don't have it. How can you have personal life while you?
And maybe if he said, I found your marking and he say, Sam George. Now, or put Sam George to proof of arrogance or otherwise.
Oh, and he did it.
But Sam George didn't catch it. He thought he was also going to show
yes.
And they would know be a Sam George. Young boys generation, so the guy is too arrogant. That's the way they put across. And it didn't help.
And you see, and these are all the strategies.
Okuja tore up on everything. People say he was on top of his game.
You see,
he did so well.
Okuja will answer you, will evade what he has to evade, and you will hide what he has to hide. And that is maturity. That is the point. What I have to evade, I will evade.
He will go about it, grammar.
You think you can be saucy, you can be,
cheeky and
all that. But you see, once you do that, it is not to the person who is asking the person.
It is to the public.
And the public. And the image you count for yourself at that point. Go be a help. And media the vetting committee,
the attitude of the members of parliament, do you condemn?
No, it should be condemned roundly without any equivocation.